Can you beat the 20-question English grammar challenge? She. To the gym every morning. Goes. Go. Going. Gone. She goes to the gym every morning. They. A great time at the party last night. Have. Has. Had. Having. They had a great time at the party last night. To finish this by tomorrow. Will try. Tried. Am trying. Trying. I will try to finish this by tomorrow. He. His homework right now. Do. Does. Is doing. Did. He is doing his homework right now. We. Dinner when the phone rang. Eat. We're eating. Have eaten. Had eaten. We were eating dinner when the phone rang. She. The report before the meeting. Has written. Had written. Writes. Is writing. She had written the report before the meeting. Him next week. See. Saw. Will see. Seeing. I will see him next week. They. In the garden for hours. Work. Were working. Have been working. Had worked. They have been working in the garden for hours. He. To Paris twice. Is gone. Has gone. Has been. Had been. He has been to Paris twice. We. The car when it started to rain. Washed. Have washed. Had washed. Were washing. We were washing the car when it started to rain. I am my project by the time the class starts. Will finish. Will have finished. Am finishing. Finished. I will have finished my project by the time the class starts. She. Her room for 2 hours. Cleans. Is cleaning. Has been cleaning. Cleaned. She has been cleaning her room for 2 hours. They. The movie yet. Don't watch. Hasn't watched. Haven't watched. Didn't watch. They haven't watched the movie yet. You see my keys anywhere? Did. Do. Have. Does. Did you see my keys anywhere? He working late tonight? Does. Is. Was. Will. Is he working late tonight? We. The train by the time we reached the station. Missed. Have missed. Had missed. Were missing. We had missed the train by the time we reached the station. He. Finished the task on time. Didn't. Doesn't. Won't. Hadn't. He didn't finish the task on time. She. In this company for 5 years. Worked. Has worked. Had worked. Is working. She has worked in this company for 5 years. They. Football when it started raining. Play. Played. Are playing. Were playing. They were playing football when it started raining. I am my homework by 8 p.m. Will have done. Did. Have done. Had done. I will have done my homework by 8 p.m.